This is a Stipple Wild video. If you don't have Stipple Wild, these do not apply to Stipple Original. Alright, so I'm going to launch Stipple. I'm going to show you what is the new save menu. Actually, let's just use default. This doesn't really need to be anything artistic. Alright, so I've added a new save menu. I'm going to go ahead and draw a little bit. Actually, I'm going to use, I don't want to use black. I'll go ahead and use this crimson color. All right, so now if you hit save, you'll see now, now you have this, it says canvas options. Crap. That should say save options, but, silly Mullen. Always a typo with this guy. All right, so now we can hit cancel. We can hit back if we want to get rid of this menu. We can hit, all right, so now if we hit save, it's just going to work as usual, just a usual save. But if we hit save and we hit save, if we deselect save with background and hit save, now, let's see, I'm going to go to my, all right, so this one, save with a background. This one, you'll see this black background. You're like, wait, we weren't drawing on a black background. We had a white background. This is actually a transparent background. So this is actually kind of cool. I can't really show you what to do with it too much. Well, I'm going to show you something to do with it, um, but you could use it in other apps. So now you could save stuff out and then put it into other things that allow for transparency. So say you had a compositor program, a composition program, you could make a little drawing, save it without the background, and toss it in there. So here is something that you can do. Here's a new effect. So I just deleted what I just did there. Say I went and drew again. Now, if you'll remember, a moment ago, I saved this, I saved something similar to this, but I saved it with no background. So now you see this little folder icon. I use folder icons just as a catch-all button because I haven't made the icon yet. Next to up at the top, where next to where it says image. If I click this folder, it says this will load an image directly into your canvas. It will overwrite any drawing you've done so far. Are you sure you'd like to do this? Click yes. And what this does is it allows you to load an image onto your canvas as if that was what you just drew. So if I go and click this image up at the top, this last one that I saved, now it's back. That image that we drew a couple of minutes ago is back. And not only is it back, but we can change the background to it. So it's kind of a way, it's kind of a poor man's way to save the image that you're working on. So in the middle of a drawing, you hit save and you save without a background. And then in the future, you can click load. Whoops. In the future, you can click load and load that image back in. So if you're ever like, oh, I want to, like, I just drew this image, but I'm not sure which direction to go. Should I add color to it, or should I add glowy stars to it, or something? Well, you can save without background and always know that you can bring it back in the future. It's not like a perfect, like if this was like save workspace or something where it saved all of your all of your image slots and stuff. I mean, that would be real cool, but I'm having trouble with the technical details with that one. Like what if you deleted that image? What's going to happen? Like what if you, in the meantime, you delete one of the images that Stipple is referencing? Then we have trouble, and I got to figure that stuff out. But anyway, in the meantime, we've got this kind of handy button that allows us to, well, the first handy button is that checkbox that you can deselect background. The other handy thing is being able to load an image in directly into your canvas. There are other uses for loading that image in, but I'm not going to go into that. I'm just going to end it here. All right. Thanks for watching.